Ever pondered about the speed of your internet connection? Is it delivering the performance you desire? If it's not, then you're in the right place to discover how to enhance the internet speed on a Windows 10 operating system. Step 1. Always check the internet speed. It's crucial to understand the current speed before making any changes. Use any reliable online speed test tool to measure the existing speed. This initial step will provide a benchmark to compare and confirm any improvements made. The second step involves clearing the browsing data. Every time the internet is used, temporary files and cookies get stored. These can slow down the internet speed. Open the browser, navigate to settings, and clear browsing data, including cookies and cached files. This step can significantly boost the speed. Next, consider disabling background apps. Many applications in Windows 10 run in the background, consuming internet bandwidth. Go to Settings, then Privacy, and under Background Apps, turn off the ones not in use. This action can free up valuable bandwidth. The fourth step is to limit the bandwidth reserved for system use. Windows 10 reserves about 20% of the internet bandwidth for system applications and updates. To adjust this, type Run in the search bar, then type gpedit.sc and navigate to Limit Reservable Bandwidth. Set the bandwidth limit to 0%. Finally, consider using a wired connection. Though wireless connections provide convenience, a wired connection often offers a more stable and faster internet speed. Connect the computer directly to the modem using an Ethernet cable for the best results. In summary, optimizing internet speed in Windows 10 involves 5 key steps. First, check the current internet speed. Second, clear browsing data. Third, disable background apps. Fourth, limit the bandwidth reserved for system use. Finally, if possible, use a wired connection. Remember, a faster internet speed can enhance browsing experience, make downloads quicker, and improve video streaming quality. So, why wait? Give these steps a go and enjoy a more efficient and speedy internet. It's a game changer.